They pin me up and drop me off, I'm exonerated. Yes, I ain't in they line of pics. We say got invaded. Another out of bikes, lots of fucking patience. You say I used to be alright, but we ain't fucking hate. If you want me, hit the pink switch, cause I get off. I need motherfucking sound like I'm Harley Quinn. I like the jungle, you know it's flyweight. Feel like a loser until you go. Bad bitch, say she got some time to catch some brunch. In between his thighs, that's some motherfucker's lunch. Chiefing on cigars till my face is pinkish red. Always had a hunch, you knew you was lame up in your head. Yeah, cause my fucking piss, I serve them to you like they commissary. Keep the fucking bitches for the script on your whole bitch. You a dream rock star, only thing you know is fucking missionary. Cause I queefing out your ass like it's dysentery. But I be one to hit the motherfucking top. So like I ain't been there, it had to hit me the fucking witch girl. Put a fucking spell on my fucking witch bitch girl. I'ma take to hell when I go. They pin me up and drop me off, I'm exonerated. Yes, I ain't in they line of pics, they say got invaded. Another out of bikes, lots of fucking patience. You say I used to be alright, but that's too fucking basic.
Tech promised an electric car by this year. I put a deposit down. Where's my goddamn electric car, Bruce?